For ADEO, the data is very important because we want to be a data-driven company. Collibra helps us to make teams understand data they consume from other teams. We want them to speak the same languages and to improve the onboarding time and the time to market. Today in ADEO we have about 5,000 people that are using Collibra around the world, and we have about 500 producers of data. Collibra is a single place of all the knowledge about data, and it helps people find the right documentation about their data. ADEO has a strong partnership with Google at many levels. We talk about data. We ask Collibra from the beginning to be on GCP. Because we are on GCP, we want to reduce latency. We use a lot Google BigQuery. We have developed a specific connector for our needs to synchronize all the metadata from BigQuery to Collibra. Because all digital products in ADEO publish the data on Google BigQuery, and we want this data to be documented, to be used, and to be understandable for everyone that wants to use it.